everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are fixing the Discord installation as failed error on our Windows. So let's just dive right in and fix it step by step. So if your Discord is running in the background and the install fails, you can just go over to your task manager, type in task manager, hit enter. If you want it, run it as administrator. And within the processes tab right here, find your Discord. And once you find Discord, select the option of end task with Discord and close this up right here. Once that is done, you can just go and delete all Discord files. It is very important because corrupt leftover files can cause 90% of the installation errors. So press Windows plus R and there just go over and type in %app data % and hit enter. And once you do so, you can look out for a Discord folder here. And you just need to delete that folder. Right click on it, select the option delete, or select it and select this option of delete at the top right here. And close this up right here. Also delete up the local app data. Press Windows plus R for that. And this time type in % local app data %. So type in % local app data % and hit enter. And once you do so, find Discord once again and right click on it and select this option of delete the folder or delete it right here. And that's it. Apart from that, you can restart your PC. Restarting removes the locked file so the installer can work. So you can restart your PC right here, look out for the restart option or use a shortcut to restart your PC and then see if that works or fixes your issue as well. Apart from that, you can run the installer as an administrator. So you can look out for your Discord exe file. So let's say this is the exe file. Right click on it once you find the file and you just need to select this option of run as administrator and done. If it installs, you are done. And apart from that, if there is any kind of Windows security blockers, you can turn it off while installing the Discord and turn it back on again. And that's it. That's how you fix the Discord installation as failed error on Windows. So if this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And thank you for watching this video.